Good morning, everybody. I was just looking at some videos talking about how silver, next time it's going to go to $50, they're going to cash out, or is this rise too much, and should people be taking profits at silver at $17 per ounce? This is a lot of noise, but it's not generating a true signal for the coming moonshot in the price of silver. As the last video, we went over the implied non-deflationary price of gold according to Jim Rickards, and he gets a number of $10,000 per ounce. You slap a 10-to-1 gold to silver ratio on that, and you get somewhere around the area of $1,000, or more technically $900 on the chart. So this is the implied non-deflationary price of silver according to Chris Duane, who does not seem to like cryptocurrencies all that much, but there's been a big debate over is cryptocurrency just kind of a gateway drug into owning precious metals and silver. Many people might agree or disagree with that, but nevertheless, this is something like silver, which has $5 trillion or more in paper derivatives per year, holding the price down of something that's only mined $15 billion per year. And only today, it's trading at all-time highs. So why is silver down from its $50 high in 1980 when the Dow was only at 824? As Chris Duane points out, the Dow is now at 26,000 in 2018. So if you extrapolate those numbers, you get $1,600 silver. And as a reminder, in Venezuela last year alone, silver was up 5 million%. So the people that sold the breakout, or the $50, or $900, or what before the hyperinflation really took hold, they're broke. So if you sell silver too soon, you might as well not even own it at all. What's the point? So I'm considering this chart that shows the silver rise to $50 per ounce in 2011, the subsequent breakdown, the consolidation at $14, when many people were thinking it's going to go to 10 or below double digits. Now we've seen the price climb to 17. We're getting close to the $25 or $26 Chris Duane target, which is going to mark the breakout on silver to the $50 range, the old 1980 high, the 2011 high. So this will be a triple hammer breakout, technical term, for something that's, it's going to be climbing up to that $50 range. And that's where the real fun, the real movement, the real extrapolation is really going to cause silver to fly. And that's when the dollar is going to inevitably get weaker. And my time frame for this is 2 decades or 20 years, maybe 15 years. But if you have something that goes from $17 to $900, you're obviously doing quite well. And that's what this silver channeling chart shows that's currently on the screen. The top of the channel points to a $900 silver price. And if it can go to 900, it could very well pull back from there, and then in subsequent moves even go higher. Because what's the point? People wouldn't want US dollars in equivalents regardless of how much they can get. This paper fiat fractional reserve debt-based money is as useless as it is now, but the cat will really be out of the bag when we hit 900. But first things first, $50 is going to be the first big breakout, and I think that's when you're going to get people talking about it on the street, and taxi drivers or barbers even asking questions about it. And in my opinion, that's going to just be the start of the real rise. And at 900, everybody will know about silver. Everyone will know about gold. Gold going to 10,000 and is going to be a moonshot. But if you look at the real opportunity is in silver, not gold. So if Jim Rickards is right, if Chris Duane is right, it doesn't mean that crypto is all toxic and it's all going to go to zero. It just means that maybe some people might find crypto as a gateway drug into buying precious metals and silver. You can already buy precious metals with Bitcoin on dealers' websites such as AppMex and some others. So the dealers are accepting cryptocurrency as a form of payment, and I think this is only going to broaden the base, broaden the ownership of people willing to take positions in silver long term. So that's all for right now, and just wanted to keep watching those silver videos and don't get distracted by people calling for a top in silver at 17, or they're going to take profits, or look at the people that did that in other countries. They don't have any purchasing power. $50 is nice, but that's nothing yet. So I just wanted to make this video to clarify the implied non-deflationary price of silver according to Chris Duane. And thanks for watching. I hope everyone has a beautiful Sunday, and peace out.